Alright guys, I'm back again after a long week. And I found bad news. Look, because I threw them like 1 hour ago. That one, what is the other one? That one, sorry. This one and that one. The egg was him, okay? His egg. And where is his girlfriend? The middle one. Mikey and Mike. Because of the rain and the temperature over here is, bro, like when you put like pan on the floor and when you broke the egg on them on the pan. That one is younger one, and you can feel the heat. You can make omelette, okay? There's a temperature here. And I'm back again. The thing is, you damaged his egg. Used to be here. I'll show you that one later. And Prince and London, they damaged their egg. And Romeo and Juliet, they stay over there right now.